So this is an example of flying legally in busy airspace. I'm outside of Atlanta, Hartsfield. You can see it over here on the right side of the screen, everything. I'm actually right on the inbound flight path. You can see here and here are two airplanes coming in. So I look out over my shoulder, there's one coming in, and I look out straight and there's another one. I am flying legally with a Lance authorization up to 150 feet for the mapping mission and the other shoots that I need to do around this building. This again is showing you how it is legal to fly. You do it the right way. They're getting the same information related to me and letting them know that I'm on this airspace. Here's the map. You can hear the voice telling me look for the aircraft. They're in a safe distance. The colored areas are altitude above sea level, represented with the legend on the left. The triangle is the bird flying around. H is for home mean. And we're currently shooting what's called a Smart Oblique. You can see that it takes a lot of pictures in different directions, 3 actually at each waypoint to pull in. So you can also see at the bottom my primary information related to where, how I'm flying, where I'm flying, what the altitude is, and that sort of stuff. I come over to the obstacle sensing view, and I get to see altitude above ground level. I get to see what my speed is. Up here on the left, you can see the wind speed and how it's pushing on the bird. Also on the right is me where I'm flying above sea level, again above ground level, and the related information. So again, this is FlightHub 2 flying on a Matrice 4E and showing you through the system how to fly legally. Again, there you can see it getting busy here on a Saturday morning. Lots of aircraft in the area. But again, I am flying legal less than a mile from the actual